Welcome to the Vaccine Coin Vax. Currently, in our current expansion, you can agree with me that the term virus is not just a common phenomenon, but rather has paraded itself in our habitat after the globe at large, which cause great number of diseases, and one of such is our current dispensation that has skyrocketed the globe in globally known as the coronavirus, which has caused a lot of harm to nations and to the economy of nations at large too. However, there are a lot of viruses in the globe which cause the spreading of a lot of diseases all over the world such as Ebola, Marburg and Middle East respiratory virus, which is the only way to curtail such viruses or control it is by the administering of vaccines to everyone in the global at large so as for them not to get the disease or rather not get affected by the disease. In this video, I will be detailing the full lot about virus and the vaccine coin ecosystem which will be of a lot of benefits to everyone. The meaning of virus. These are microscopic organisms that can be easily seen with the eyes but rather can be seen by light microscope and it consists of a nucleic acid molecule in a protein coat which is able to multiply just only within the living cells of a host. However, many viruses cause disease which can be spread by transmission and majorly the speed of viruses are from the respiratory organs which one can get infected through air which goes in through the nostrils and to curb the spread of viruses. One is advised or people are advised to always vaccine themselves from it always so as for them not to get caught up with the virus. With vaccination, the spread of virus will be eradicated or cut out, which is the reason why everyone should be a part of taking vaccine when it is required of, so as to remain healthy and not to be infected of any disease of any kind. Aims of the vaccine coin. The vaccine coin is a goal-oriented one which is why it aims at the following below. Development of website for registration of the data of vaccinated person. Development of app for personal use of vaccinated person. Development of NFT website for long-term documentation. Development of software tool for analysis of data. Application of artificial intelligence to analyze the data to improve the vaccine development, manufacturing and implementation. Development of solutions for vaccinated persons to sell their data to earn extra income. Development of cloud solution. Development of vaccine record as standard in medicine. Development of ethics and standards for use of private health data for vaccinated. These are the aims of the vaccine coin and having all these features it shows that the ecosystem is very unique as they have come up with an awesome feature so as to serve every users in the ecosystem very well and accurately. In summary, this ecosystem will foster the growth of healthy living by making people or merchants embracing the taking of vaccination so they don't get infected of any disease which is of the reason why everyone should become a user in the ecosystem and also a holder of the vax token too.